welcome back. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After that, divide the hairs into two parts, fold it upward and then rotate it. Now again take the hairs and pull it out from the other side like this, and then divide the hairs and make the plaits on it like this from the right side. After making the plaits, fold it upward and fix it on the left side like this, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to divide the hairs into two parts like this from the front, and then make the plaits in the very small section like this. After that, follow the same step for the other side. Make the plaits by taking the hairs from the sides in the small sections like this. Join it by making the plaits. Now make the plaits till the end and fix all the hairs in the same manner. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Fix it using the rubber band and fold it upward and fix it, and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, fix the ponytail and then fix the hairband or the bun stick on the hairs like this. Now roll the hairs around it and then fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Fold the hairs carefully as shown in the video and fix the flower part on the right side as shown, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs on the top and then roll them together like this. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then fix it by taking the hairs in the very small sections like this. Fix it one by one as we are joining the hairs by taking small sections. Fix it by taking the hairs from the back as well. Follow the same step for the other side. Take the hairs till the end and fix it in the same manner as shown in the video, and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to watch these steps carefully. Thanks for watching our video.